In this video, I am going to show you how to set protein minimums in MacroFactor. So what you'll need to do first is simply go and download the application if you don't have it downloaded, and if you do have it, just go and access it and log in into an account if you have an account. If you don't, go and create an account. Of course, the application is paid, so you will be required to pay a plan. And if it's your first time, you can use a 7 days free trial for free. And it's not totally for free, you'll have to pay $1, but they called it free trial. So then after once it's finished, if you like it, you'll have to keep paying the plan. So now how to set the protein minimums in MacroFactor. So if you go to the strategy tab, normally once you created your account, you set your goal in your program. On that program, you set your protein there. But now you would like to set it or edit it or adjust it because maybe you regret your choice, maybe you just change your mind, totally up to you. So if you go here to the strategy tab, here you can just start a new goal if you want to, but for me I'm not going to do so. You can also start a new program. For me I'm not going to do so, and I'm just going to edit program. But of course for you, you can start a new program and choose, like if you choose coach, you can choose manual and stuff. For me I'm just going to edit it because I want to keep on coached. And here as you can see, you'll have to start going through that over. So what's your preferred diet? I'm just going to do balance. And what calorie floor do you prefer from me? I'm just going to choose standard. And here, as example, what training will you do during this program? I'm just going to do none or relaxed activities for you. Of course, answer like as you, what you do. Answer for you. And here, how you'd like to distribute calories throughout the week. For me, I'm just going to do evenly. And here you can see what is your preferred protein intake. So you can set it to low, or you can set it to moderate, high, or extra high. It's totally up to you. I'm just going to let it moderate or even low to set its minimum. Click on next, and as you can see, they will edit my program depending on whatever I choose. I can click on done. If I go to dashboard here, I'll be able to see my new data. So my new calories that I'll need to take, my new grams of protein, fat, carbs that I'll need to take each day. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.